एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज का जो वीडियो है वो एक क्विक नायका हॉल वीडियो होगा। मैंने लास्ट मंथ नायका से दो चीजें ऑर्डर की थी एंड सिंस दैट टाइम मैं समहाउ उन पैकेजेस को ओपन नहीं कर पाई थी। आई डिड रिसीव माय पैकेजेस 2 days आफ्टर ऑर्डरिंग एंड ये दो चीजें हैं एंड आई गेस आई हैव रिसीव्ड अ फ्रीबी एज वेल। तो ये दो डिफरेंट पैकेजेस में आई हैं एंड एज यू कैन सी बोथ ऑफ देम आर अनओपन्ड। सो आई ऑनेस्टली डू नॉट इवन रिमेंबर कि मैंने क्या ऑर्डर किया था, बट आई डेफिनेटली नो वन थिंग कि ये न्यू लॉन्चेस हैं एंड दीज आर काइंड ऑफ अफोर्डेबल वंस। सो आई जस्ट ओपन दिस फर्स्ट बॉक्स रैंडमली एंड आई कैन एक्चुअली सी द लेबल ऑन दिस एंड इसके ऊपर लिखा हुआ है अमाउंट INR 0, विच मीन्स कि ये वाला जो पर्टिकुलर पैकेज है इसके अंदर फ्रीबी है। सो बिफोर ओपनिंग द एक्चुअल पैकेज जिसके अंदर मेरे ऑर्डर प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, आई फर्स्ट ओपन दिस पैकेज। एज आई सेड, आई डोंट इवन रिमेंबर मैंने क्या ऑर्डर किया था। ऑल आई रिमेंबर इज इट इज समथिंग अफोर्डेबल एंड इट इज अ न्यू लॉन्च बाय द ब्रांड। सो आई जस्ट क्विकली ओपन द फ्रीबी फर्स्ट। ओह, इट्स अ वेरी टाइनी थिंग। सो इट इज बाय द ब्रांड ब्लू हेवन और ये है उनका मैजिक बाम एंड दिस इज अ फ्रीबी एंड ये देख के आई एम प्रिटी श्योर कि मैंने जो दो प्रोडक्ट्स ऑर्डर किए हैं दे आर बाय ब्लू हेवन। सो दिस इज ब्लू हेवन्स मैजिक बाम। इट इज इन द फ्रेग्रेंस हाइड्रेटिंग ग्रेप्स एंड पैकेजिंग काफी सुंदर है। यू कैन सी द ग्रेप्स ऑल ओवर द पैकेजिंग। नाउ लेट मी क्विकली ओपन इट अप एंड ओके, ये दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक। सो इट इज अ लिप बाम जो मुझे एज अ फ्रीबी मिला है। सो नाउ आई विल जस्ट quickly open the other package and see कि मैंने exactly Blue Heaven के कौन से दो items order किए हैं। And as I said कि these are very affordable because the amount I paid for two products it's just 502 rupees and I am pretty sure कि इसके अंदर दो products है तो 500 रुपए के अगर मैंने दो product order किए हैं they are definitely affordable and of course they are by the brand Blue Heaven। So let's see कि कौन कौन से Blue Heaven के new launches हमने order किए हैं। Okay, so I have these two products with me. One of the products that I ordered is this Blue Heavens Bounce and Blush. It is one of their dewy cushion blushes. A lot of brands are launching new sorts of blushes, new sorts of mousse lipsticks and whatnot. And Blue Heaven also launched their Bounce blush. I guess they're available in 3 or 4 different shades and they just retail for 349 rupees and of course I did get it on a discount. So the shade that I ordered is called Rose and I'll just quickly open it and show you how it looks like. This is how the packaging looks like. It looks very nice I would say। मतलब तो ये काफी affordable सा product लेकिन उतना like cheap नहीं लग रहा है। So let's open it and see कि ये कैसे लगता है। Is how it looks like। Now this is the mirror। Since it is a new product, mirror के ऊपर एक plastic sheet लगी हुई है and this is the little applicator of the blush। This is kind of a small applicator, like मेरी एक finger में like इतना सा आ रहा है, so definitely it's a small applicator। Now let's see how the shade actually looks like। Oh my god, इट्स ब्यूटिफुल। एक प्रोटेक्टर लगा हुआ था इसके ऊपर ताकि जो एक्चुअल ब्लश है वो एक्सपोज ना हो, but look how beautiful the blush looks like। Now cushion foundations are all over the internet. Every single brand is making a cushion foundation, but this beautiful cute looking cushion blush is something that I've seen for the first time। Now I'm not sure maybe other brands भी बना रहे होंगे since cushion products are in fashion, but this is my first time seeing something as beautiful as this। So I haven't of course watched it, so let me dip my little finger in this। It's of course it's a cushion blush, so it is kind of cushiony। Now I've dipped my fingers a couple of times and okay, it is a very light I would say, I don't know। Ooh, I was dipping it not heavy enough and this is, oh my god, I think it will look beautiful। Wow, I can't wait to try it on my cheeks। Like it, can you see the flush of color right here on my hand? And like I haven't used this applicator, but this looks beautiful। Now of course थोड़ा डिफरेंट लग रहा है, पहले जैसा लग रहा था उससे, but it definitely is a beautiful color. It's a beautiful looking product and I can't wait to give this product a try. Stay tuned for a full review video because I would definitely be doing one pretty soon. Now let's talk about the second product. जो दूसरा product मेरे पास है that is Blue Heaven का Kiss and Blush. Now what is this? It is a juicy cheek syrup. Now I don't even know मैंने क्या क्या ऑर्डर किया है, but this retails for just 299 rupees. and इस पर्टिकुलर वाले का जो मैंने शेड ऑर्डर किया है, again it is in the shade Rose. The first product that I ordered was again, oh no, both of them are rose because okay, so this one was also rose and ये वाला भी somehow मैंने rose में order किया है, which makes me feel कि definitely it would be a pink product. Now this is what this is a dewy cheek syrup. मैंने दोनों cheek के products order किए हैं, but okay, this definitely looks pretty different from the first one. So let me open and show you how it looks like. It definitely looks pretty different from that. So this is how the product looks like. ये है Blue Heaven का dewy cheek syrup. It does contain the goodness of ceramides and hyaluronic acid. And I do like the fact कि इसकी जो packaging है वो काफी sturdy है. It looks pretty luxurious. This is how the bottle looks like. Now इसके ऊपर तो मैंने वो पहला वाला product try किया था, so I'll be trying it on my other hand. Let's see how it looks like. So all you have to do to use the product is press the base, which is kind of squishy, and the product comes out from the nozzle. So let's give this shade a try. मैंने बहुत ही teeny tiny सा press किया है so that थोड़ा सा ही product निकले. This is how the shade looks like. Try blending the shade and see ये कैसा लगता है. Oh, this is so easy to blend and it is super pigmented. I don't really think that we'll be needing that much of a product cheeks के लिए. Now I do not have anything on my face. I have zero makeup on. But since this is such a beautiful color, I just want to apply it on my cheeks and see कि ये कैसा लगता है. I am just applying it in a very random manner. But can you see how pigmented this is? Oh my god. Oh yes, this is a beautiful product. It is very pigmented and I can show you how like creamy it is on the camera, but the texture of the product is super creamy and affordability के हिसाब से I am currently loving the product. Can you see how pigmented this blush is? I am completely bare face, but you can see the flush on my cheeks, and I just took a teeny tiny bit of this product on my face and I still do have a lot of product in the back of my hand. I am kind of already very impressed with this particular product and I can't wait to wear it with makeup and throughout the day, and उसके बाद ही मैं अपना जो full review है वो आप लोगों के साथ share कर पाऊंगी. But yes, these are the two products जो मैंने recently Blue Heaven से order किए हैं, and can you believe कि इन दोनों products के लिए I just paid 500 rupees, and 500 rupees में I not only got these two products, I also got this pretty looking lip balm as well. So I would be trying all of these products in the coming week, and definitely मैं इनके बारे में जो अपना full review है, अपना full experience है, वो आप लोगों के साथ share करूंगी. And I am kind of sure कि ये जो दो products हैं ये as it is काफी affordable है, but Nykaa की hot pink sale की duration में ये products और भी affordable हो जाएंगे. So I would try कि मैं उससे पहले अपना review आप लोगों के साथ share कर दूं. So yes, that's it for today's haul video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.